How to turn off sound on the Facebook app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of those unexpected Facebook notification sound or autoplay videos blaring while you are scrolling? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how you can turn off sounds on the Facebook app. So without further ado, let's get started. So start by opening the Facebook app. And once you have opened that, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner. From here, simply scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Settings. Now once you are in the Settings section, simply scroll down and tap on Media under the Preferences section. Now in this section, you will see an option for Sounds in App. You simply need to toggle that off and voila, no more random sounds from Facebook. And if you want to take it step further, you can also disable autoplay videos by tapping on Never Autoplay Videos option. And that's it. Super easy, right? Now you can scroll through Facebook in peace without any unwanted interruption. And with this, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.